Hello everyone. कैसे हैं आप सब? So this is Jaspreet Arora. Welcome back to my channel. And this is the look which I had created a few days back. I think you must have checked it on my Instagram. नहीं check किया है तो Instagram ID flash कर रही हूँ. Go and check it or follow karo for more content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. This was a look which I had created for the daytime. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो चुकी हुई है, no foundation look है. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. There is no makeup without a skincare. So here is my most favorite serum of the summers, or you can say I use it every time. This is the Pond's ka serum. हर चीज़ का link I will give you in the description box. So in case you want to check out there, you can definitely. Nails, of course, you can see my nail polish was chipped. Change करती हूँ थोड़ी देर में. Moisturizer कभी नहीं भूलिए. Whether you have the dry skin or the oily skin, you have to use the moisturizer, be it summers, be it winters. And because of scorching sun, now here I am using the most favorite sunscreen of mine because it is so natural. बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight है, कोई white cast नहीं छोड़ती. I use it every day. I'm a sort of a person who likes to massage the face while doing the skincare because my schedule at times gets so hectic that I don't get extra, time to prep my face or to take care of my face. So I think that's the right time when you are applying your skincare. At that time you can give yourself a little bit of massage. It relaxes the face and of course does wonders for your face. So here I am all set for the makeup, and the best thing is I have changed my nail color. Guys, no blues. Today is a black day. So let's start with the makeup, and here I am using the Pore Minimizer. When we are applying this, face इतना ज़्यादा smooth हो जाता है. It feels like you're working on a flawless canvas. You should never miss a primer. Reason being, it provides a layer between your makeup and your skin and protects it from any sort of damage. And otherwise also, it provides a beautiful canvas for the makeup to be painted. So because I have hyperpigmentation, so I always like to color correct. Talking of the age spots, of course, these are a reflection of the experience which I am having in my life. And here I am using the LA Girl ka color corrector. This is the peach corrector. There is not one color corrector. We have color correctors of different colors. Here you can see I'm getting lazy and trying to cover my red spot also with the peach corrector, where I should ideally have been using the green corrector. Mind my pigmentations popping from within my makeup on an everyday basis. I ideally use my fingertips for blending my makeup because infection होने का कोई डर नहीं है. So इसलिए you can always use the motion, that is the tapping motion, for blending your makeup. Makeup is not supposed to sit on your skin like layers. You have to make sure that it is blended properly because more other layers then the makeup would look cakey. So I think I give you a nice tip. So here I am using an all-time savior. This is the Swiss Beauty ka concealer. You must have seen many influencers endorsing this as one of the best concealers, and I am also one of them. I had received this concealer as a PR and there is no looking back after this. Minimal price and great job. Guys, let's let the concealer sit for some time and change the clothes. So here you can see I do not iron my clothes because I think बैठ के भी तो बल पड़ना ही है. So now it's the time to blend the concealer, and I'm giving you a very pro tip. The thing is that because it's summers, and if you want to extract the best value out of your concealer, let it sit for some time at the place where you want it to be applied. Like this, you can get the maximum benefit. The concealer will provide you maximum coverage. So here you can see, oh, I left a little bit to be blended there. Let it be blended. Don't judge me. I take care of my makeup, but I don't know why. This loose powder is good, but I don't know what's the thing about the packaging. So here I am trying to do the best I can do for my under eyes. I try to take the minimum product, warm it on the backside of my hand, and then apply it under the eyes. And like this, I have seen there is a massive reduction in the fine line appearance of the under eyes, and there is no creasing. And here I take the loose powder and apply it all over my face because it helps to set the face for a longer period of time. Mamaearth products are good. You can give them a try, except the mascara. I don't find it that good. I don't know why. It just leaks out. Now is the time for the eyebrows. Benefits, of course, is everybody's favorite, but I have terrible experience using the Benefit products for the eyebrows. So before I fill in my brows, here is the lip and cheek tint from my absolute favorite, that is MyGlamm. These are so pigmented, so easily blendable. I am not going to edit it. Just see the way I am just using the minimal effort, and they are getting blended so easily. This had been a savior for me when it comes to the makeup no makeup look. Here I just use it for my cheeks, for my lid area, and of course to give that rosy appearance to my lips. They look so healthy. I will definitely recommend you to invest in one of the good lip and cheek tints. MyGlamm of course has a variety of shades to offer, easily blendable as you can see out here. I somehow find these cream blushes to be a healthier version. They just make your skin glow from within. You need not be doing that extra bit to make your skin look healthier. Here you can see how it looks. A little bit goes on the chin. I just saw somebody doing it and I really loved it. I was not doing anything on my chin related to blush, but I think we can try all the new techniques and everything. So before I apply any gloss, I think this is a good thing to put it on the lips also. So now let's fill in the brows. Best brow products have been from Sugar Cosmetics. I have a very good experience with these pencils of theirs. I rate them better than Benefits. Sugar Cosmetics is a very affordable brand, and I think some of their products are really good. Now going for a colored eyeliner. Recode offers such amazing colors. Of course these are buildable. They will not go in a single stroke, but definitely they are blendable. I own, I think, 3 to 4 of their colors, including a yellow. I just love their fluorescence which they are providing in their colors. They look a little different from the regular ones and really lift up the whole look. For some of you asking me about how to remove these colored liners, they are removable with a normal micellar water. You may use a wet wipe even to remove it, but micellar water is a better option. So here you can see how they have just lifted up the whole look. So if you know me, you know this. Filling up the waterline with my absolute favorite white color. This pencil is from Purple. And then the best mascara, the Manish Malhotra mascara. I just love it. It just gives length and volume, and of course is waterproof, doesn't budge. So a little bit goes a long way. Now let's gloss it up with the Swiss Beauty Wet Gloss. These are amazing. Do invest in them. A little bit of highlighter here and there, and you know those areas. Guys, it's summers and wearing makeup at times gets very difficult in summers due to the scorching heat and that sweat. Use a waterproof makeup, then try to minimize the use of foundation. Concealer tip I have already given you. Use a powder. It will set your makeup and keep it at its place for a long time. Do not forget your body. This is an amazing sunscreen lotion from Mamaearth. Very easy to apply, not at all sticky or repulsive. So you can give this one a try for yourself. And here goes the complete look. Don't forget to share your your thoughts about this look in the comment section. I'm waiting, guys. And if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button in case you want to see more of such videos. Guys, sometimes I really fall short of ideas to make a video and would highly appreciate if you can suggest me some good topics for the YouTube videos. Will be really thankful. See you guys in my next video.